Okay, this video is all about changing your calendar. So, on your website, on the right hand side, we have upcoming events. And when you mouse over it, it's got the race night, but that's the wrong date. So we need to change that. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to log in to your panel with the login details that I've given you. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to see this calendar. Now it might be like this, or it might be open. Anyway, if you click on it, you go to this thing. This is your calendar area. And you can add new events, which is here. You can also have other events. So I've put in other things that you had in there, but you can edit them. So for example, let's have a look at Race Club Night. What you have here is you have a title, and it's quite picky. I mean, if I put this in, the explanation, they don't like that. So you have to keep them short and no punctuation in the headlines. Okay. So let's go back. So if you wanted to put more details, for example, you wanted to put where to meet blah blah, that would be really useful for this area. But also I want you to write click here for more details, because when you mouse over it here, you can see that it's a link, and I've linked it just to your running club page, but you could link it to anything you like. So click here for the route, or click here for whatever, and then you put in the link here. So that's what happens when someone clicks on this. I mean, you don't have to, but when someone clicks on this, that's where you go, is right there. And then you can select your date. So he said it was the first Thursday. I don't know. I think it's first Thursday. I don't know. 4th at 7 p.m. I'm not sure. And you can also set up a repeat. So let's say we're going to put this on repeat for 4 weeks. And we're going to save that. Oh. I didn't select the type. Okay, so weeks. 4 weeks. So I did. Okay, so we have our weekly run, or whatever. I guess it's monthly, but I want you to go in and change that. So if you refresh this, which is Command R or F5, you can see all the upcoming activities. What I've done is you can change this as well, which I think is really cool. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see calendar options. Now ignore all the rest of it, but what you have here, display upcoming events for 60 days in the future. Say you only want to do 30 days. For some reason it won't let you go over 99, but for 30 days. And so if you refresh, so you can see it's going all the way up to April here. Now it's only doing up to there. Okay. So let's go back to manage the calendar. Let's add a new event for this week. Website launch, let's say. Okay, so please let us know what you think. So what happens when they click on it? Let's say it goes to the contact page. Okay, so we have our contact page. Go up to the bar at the top, copy it, and then paste it. Oh, sorry. And the start date is, what day is it today? Is it the 25th? It is to the 25th. Okay. And say I want this to appear on the calendar until next week. What's the current time in England, isn't it? I don't know. Optional. Let's just leave it blank. We don't want any repeats. So let's hit save. If we go back and we hit refresh, which is Command R or F5, today's event, we have a new website. Please let us know what you think. Click on it. Oh, wow. If you were on a different page, it would go to the contact page, but we're on the contact page. So click, goes to the contact page. Okay, so that's as easy as that. If you don't want an event anymore, so say we don't want the website launch, you can hit delete. It says, are you sure? I said yes. And it's successfully deleted. And that's it.